Welcome back, guys, and in this video what are we going to do is we're going to test the polynomial class and make sure that it actually works. And after we do that, we're going to format our answer. In other words, we're going to basically display our answer in a way that the user can easily read it. Alright, simple enough. But before we even do or implement anything in code, just go ahead and change this to this. The reason why I messed that up in the last tutorial is because I was talking and typing at the same time, but just go ahead and change that and it'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and type in print and just go ahead and copy the name of the dictionary and paste it right here, and make sure that your print statement is aligned with your first for loop, and give yourself a little bit of space. What this will allow us to do is basically print the answer, or basically print whatever is in the dictionary, because if we didn't put it, this program can't print it on its own, because it's a program, it's stupid, it can't do anything on its own. So let's go ahead and type in from term import all. Alright, and give yourself a little bit of space so PyCharm doesn't yell at you. And let's see, do we need anything else? I think we're good to go. Alright, scroll down a little bit and let's do this. Go ahead and type in poly and set it equal to polynomial. Alright, and go ahead and type in term and just go ahead and put in any random number. For example, like 3 and 4. And guys, make sure that you put them in brackets. And I'm going to explain to you why later. And just go ahead and take this, or first let me put the comma right here. And let's just go ahead and take this and copy it again. And give yourself a little bit of space. And you can change the number to 2 and 2 and 5 and 5. This is just an example, so you don't really need to have specific numbers, but I decided to do it. And let's have this as poly 1 so we don't get confused. And let's go ahead and duplicate that and change the second one to poly 2 and reduce the number of terms by 1. We want to make it a little bit different. Guys, to be honest, it doesn't really matter how many terms you have in your polynomial, because this program is legit enough to handle any number of terms. But guys, notice that I have everything in a list. Like, these terms are in a list because I'm expecting a list when I pass it in right here in the constructor. So let's just go ahead and type in polynomial dot multiply, and what this is going to do is basically call this multiply method. And what we want to do is we want to pass in the first polynomial object and the second polynomial object. Alright, are you ready for this moment? This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and right click the polynomial class and cross your fingers and run this bad boy. And boom, here we have it, guys. As you can see, it is indeed a dictionary that has all the answers. The reason why we know it's a dictionary is because, it's the way it's formatted. And you can see the keys and the values, the keys and the values. And the keys represent the power and the values represent the coefficient. Alright, but imagine if you were the user and you were actually using this program, you won't be able to read this because you won't understand it. So let's go ahead and implement this program in a way that the user can actually read this.